Hello everyone, welcome to Motivational Medicos. My name is Pulkit Gupta, and in this video we are going to talk about lumbar plexus. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you know, basically lumbar vertebrae are the five lumbar vertebrae. So similarly we are going to take all these vertebrae, that is L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. See, basically from the vertebrae, this nerve come and it gives ventral ramus and the dorsal ramus. So this lumbar plexus is basically formed by the ventral primary ramus of the L1, L2, L3 and L4, L5. So now let's see the lumbar plexus. So this L2, L3 and L4 joins. Basically this L2, L3, L4 give ventral division as well as ventral division and the dorsal division also. So this ventral division, so I will with a different color I will draw the dorsal division from the L2, L3 and L4. This joins and form the dorsal division of the L2 dorsal division. See, now this ventral division going to form the basically obturator nerve, and this dorsal division will form the femoral nerve. So if someone asks you what is the word root of obturator nerve, so it will be L2 to L4, and for the femoral nerve similarly for the L2 to L4. The difference is only one, it is formed from the dorsal division and it is formed from the ventral division. Now after this, so this L1 will give two branches. This above one is the ilio-hypogastric nerve, and the below one is the ilioinguinal nerve, and both will have root value of L1. Now from the L1 and L2, this one branch comes out from L1 and L2 will give rise to one branch, that is the name of this one is will be genitofemoral nerve, and its root value will be L1, L2. Now this one more branch coming out from the L2 and L3. So I will take some different color. So from L2 and the L3, this will give one branch, and the name of this branch will be lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. Its root value will be L2 and L3. Now after this, just two more nerve we have to see. See, from the L3 and L4, you can see from L2, L3, L4, from the ventral division there is obturator nerve. From L3 and L4 there is a nerve called SS3 obturator nerve. It's SS3 obturator nerve. And from L4 and L5 it gives one branch, that is from L4 and L5. This will form the lumbosacral trunk, that is by L4 and L5. See, obturator is formed by the L3, L4. So this is it, the lumbar plexus. So what we have seen, we will quickly recapitulate. First of all, L2, L3, L4 will give two branches, ventral division and the dorsal division. The ventral division will form the obturator nerve, and the dorsal division will form femoral nerve. Now from the L1 we have seen it will give iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal. Now L1 and L2 joins and form genitofemoral nerve, and after this this L2 and L3 also joins and form lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. After this L3 and L4, see, you have to take one pairs. So L1 L2 we have taken, L2 L3 we have taken. Now L3 L4 will give SSC obturator nerve, and L4 and L5 will going to form lumbosacral trunk. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and guys, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys.